everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a Sephora beauty box. Well, it's not a beauty box. It comes in a box, but all the products come in a bag. You get to choose actually if you want to have the items in the bag or not. This is a monthly subscription, but you have got the option to have a one-off, which is what I do. When you go to checkout, then you'll see a notice, do you want to have the bag or not? So if you are a subscriber for say 12 months or so, maybe you might not want like 12 of these, you know, every single month you get a new bag. So the option is there. It costs me £13.95 and there's no commitment. If you take out a subscription, I've just had a look on their website and they're not accepting new subscriptions at the moment. So you've only got the option for a one-off box. I just went on there to find out what the prices were because I knew it would be a little bit cheaper if you were to subscribe, but they're not doing it. So they've stopped the subscription. I don't know why, but you've got the option for a one-off for £13.95 and that includes shipping. You get to choose 5 products from a list of products. I've noticed over the last couple of months the amount of products on their website has come right down, so maybe they've noticed that lots of people aren't subscribing because the choice isn't there. It used to be a lot more products, so I don't know what's going on, but they still got their pick and mix, and that's not a subscription, but you pay £3.95 and you can choose 5 little samples. You're talking sachets and 1ml perfumes, and then that £3.95 then gets credited back onto your account. Then you can't use it towards a beauty box or the pick and mix again, but you can use it off anything else on the Sephora website. As always, I'll pop a link down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. I'll pop a link to the pick and mix as well if you want to have a look. And if Sephora has any offers and beauty boxes at the moment, you'll find links to them down there as well, including a giveaway to win an advent calendar over on my Instagram page. So yeah, so it's down there. Anyway, let's get on to showing you then what 5 items I chose this month, starting off with a cannabinoid face oil by Cellular Goods. Now this looks full size. I thought this was a mistake because it's been on the Sephora beauty box page for a good couple of weeks now, but it's still there, so I thought I'd get a box and tell you all about it. Now this, to purchase, if I can get it out, is around £60 odd. £60 odd. I haven't tried anything from this brand, Cellular Goods, so I don't know. It's a CBG face oil formulated with pure lab-made cannabinoids. Apply day and night directly to the face after moisturiser. So it's a face oil. Harmonising nature with science, our cannabinoids, I can't say it, can I? Are cleaner, greener and purer than those derived from plants. CBG acts as an antioxidant and skin calming ingredient while targeting blemishes. Ooh, okay. The omega-rich medley of hemp and grapeseed oil hydrates, regenerates and smooths, acting as a source of essential fatty acids, suitable for sensitive skins as well. Let's give it a go then. Please don't be too sticky and yuck. Oh, no, you're not. You're very, very liquidy. Look. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is really nice. There's lavender in there. Definitely lavender. I can smell the essential oils. It's left my skin feeling super soft. Yeah. So, yeah, £60 odd. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what you think of it. It's clearly not a mistake because they have made mistakes before. Well, I'm assuming they've made mistakes before. They've had products on the beauty box that have been full size and then people have gone to get them and they've run out of stock or they've taken them off or whatever. But no, this has been there for a while now. So I don't know, maybe they've got a huge stock full that they need to get rid of. But yeah, so there's that. Next, I got Kosas. This is a wet lip oil plumping gloss and I've got it in Jellyfish. And I thought this was a really nice size, and I have got a few of these oils in different shades. They don't give much colour at all, but I do love an oil, especially when I'm wearing a, why am I showing you? It's just clear. Especially when I'm wearing a really matte lipstick, like a Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. I love them. I love the shades. I love the way they apply, but they can be a little bit drying, so I always wear a lip oil. I'm smelling it. That's all I can smell is the oil on my hand. But no, I thought that's really cute. That's really nice. So a nice little size there, and decent size as well. Then I went for a mascara. This is Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extension Mascara. See, out of packaging. Now I had a mascara in black. I had a mascara last time, and was it the same? I'm not sure if it's the same one. I'm sure it is, and I fell in love with it. I thought it was amazing. Actually, it looks a bit different. I think the one I had in, so I'm thinking of Sephora Beauty Box a couple of months ago. Yeah, I think it is a different one. But anyway, I love Hourglass. Absolutely love the brand, so I can't wait to give that a go, see what that's like on my lashes. There's even a little information booklet in there. Yeah, so you've got mascara. Then I went for Glow Recipe. It's a Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. There's 5 mils. I've already got one of these, but I just wanted to get it so I can share with you that it's there. I love the original packaging. Glow Recipe do some really nice products. They smell nice as well because it contains AHA and BHA as well. It's great for fine lines and texture and things like that, but also great if you've got acne or you've got scarring, pigmentation. So yeah, it's a nice serum, and I don't have any irritations with this one. Not that I do with many others actually, but I just thought I'd mention it. And then lastly, we got Milk makeup here. We got a matte bronzer. I'm not sure if I chose what colour it was. I don't think I did. But it's a little mini one. This is so cute. So cute. It's a baked matte bronzer and perfect size for taking away with me. I have the full size of this and it's not much bigger. This is nice. There. Yeah, it's not much bigger than this. So no, another decent size sample. So those are all the items that I chose for my December Sephora Beauty Box selection. So as well as the little bag that I opted to have, I've got loads of them, but then I do give away a lot of beauty products to my friends and family, and these come in handy. I always tick yes on one a bag so I can share with you. So I've got a matte bronzer by Milk Makeup. I've got a Nunlock mascara by Hourglass. I've got a Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Serum by Glow Recipe. I've got a Wet Lip Oil by Kosas. And then I've got a full size, I can't remember what it's called, Cannabinoid Face Oil by Cellular Goods. And I can't close it properly. Even though they haven't got a huge selection of products to choose from, definitely recommend checking in there now and again. And if I can see that they've released some amazing products that I think, whoa, okay, I'll share it everywhere. I'll share it on my Facebook page, on my community tab on here, and also on Instagram. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. I'm happy with the items. And I'd love to know what you think. Did you go for one this month, or did you think, nah, not for me? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.